Hi friends, nowadays hospital expenses are very high, medical expenses are very high. So I am sending free information list, mean free treatment available in that list. Kindly forward to everyone. It is very much useful information. Keep it with you also. Forward to everyone. Number 1, Tata Memorial Hospital, location Mumbai, cancer treatment free. Number 2, Sri Satya Sai Medical Science, Puttaparthi and Bangalore, all type of treatments free. All types: cardiology, neurology, urology. CMC, Christian Medical College, Vellore, all types free treatment. AIMS, AIIMS, a number of branches available in India: New Delhi, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur, Rishikesh, all type of free treatment. PGIMER, it is at Chandigarh, all types free. SGPGIMS, Lucknow, all types free. NIMHANS, Bangalore, mental health treatment. AIMS, Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi, Kerala State, all types free. Sri Krishna Hospitals, Karamsad, Gujarat, General. Shankara Nethralaya, it is at Chennai, Calcutta, eye treatment free. Aravind Eye Hospitals, eye treatment free. It is at Tamil Nadu and many locations in India. Kidwai Memorial Institute of Oncology, Bangalore, cancer treatment free. Govind Balbhai Pant Hospital, New Delhi. Next one, Ramakrishna Mission Hospitals. Next one, Seva Rural, Impact India Foundation's Lifeline Express. Narayana Health, it is at Bangalore, heart treatment free, cardiology. Like that, government schemes available: Ayushman Bharat, Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi. So many NGOs also conducting free treatments. Hospital aid financial programs also available.